Dwayne, get them crawfish good and clean there, huh? Oh, that's what I'm talking about right there, y'all. And then you can see that dirty water underneath there. That's what I'm talking about. Now we're gonna repeat so we get them good and clean.
Hey, now it's time to get in that 90-quart loco with the onions, lemons, garlic, celery, and potatoes. On in.
Here we go. We're gonna hit it with 1 4-pound bag of that Southern Boy seasoning right here. All right, y'all, we're gonna hit it with 1 solo cup of liquid crab oil. All right, y'all, now we got all the seasoning and all the onions and lemons and all the good flavor stuff in there, the garlic, the celery, the Southern Boy seasoning, the liquid crab ball, crawfish ball. Oh, y'all, I'm telling you right now, it's gonna be some good stuff there.
1 sack of them Millimar crawfish.
Ooh, man, that's pretty right there going in there. Man, that's beautiful to see right there. Holding that little loco.
A little bit more. There we go. Get that one.
Oh, man. All right, Brandon, tell us about them crawfish. Where they come from?
We got these out the spillway. These are basin crawfish. We actually just starting to get a few consistently. Still isn't good yet, but early season, I think we still got hope they're gonna be a good season for us so far, though. So,
oh yeah,
I got high hopes.
Now we're gonna let them ball for 10 minutes right here. From this point right here, we'll let them ball for 10 minutes. Then we're gonna shut them down and let them soak. Don't that look good right there?
Looking good.
Oh man, look at them crawfish right there. All right, y'all, it's been 10 minutes. So what we're gonna do? We're gonna shut that fire off. We're gonna shut that fire off, y'all. It's been 10 minutes. Now see how all them crawfish are floated up to the top? What we want them to do is soak down to the bottom. So, hey, we're fixing to hit it with that sausage. Them little brandy bees, we call them, some mushrooms and corn. Drop that down in there. That's gonna help cool that water down. Ooh, man. Now what we're gonna do, y'all, we're gonna push that underneath them crawfish.
This water to cool down. Well, these crawfish will soak up that good seasoning we done put in there. So we're gonna jump this frozen jug of this ice water down in there. Push it down under them.
Just drop it down in there like that?
Oh yeah, just drop her down in there like that. Ooh, cool that water off and get the soaking up that seasoning, y'all.
Oh yeah, that Southern Boy seasoning going up in them crawfish now, boy. Ooh, Dwayne, what you got going on there? Oh my goodness. Man, oh man. Gotta try one of them, Dwayne.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Here you go, Dwayne. Try one. See what we hitting with right there. They ready or what?
Talking right there, hitting, boy. Them all hitting.
Time to dump them. Pick it up there, Dwayne.
Oh, get that ice jug out of there.
That ice jug out there. Yo, people gonna tell us all kind of crazy stuff about this right here. All right, ready, Dwayne? Let's go over that loco right here. Woo, look at that, y'all. Hold up one more notch, Dwayne. Dump this one out. Oh, that's what I'm talking about right there, y'all. Y'all eating them crawfish down here? Oh man, they just popping right out of that shell. Look at that. When you boil them right, look at that. Hey, let me tell you something. You know how you see people using a dip when they boil crawfish to dip their crawfish in it? If you know how to boil crawfish, you don't need no dip to dip your crawfish in. Look at that. See that meat? Watch this. Pop right out of the shell. Suck that head. Tell you right now, just don't get no better than that right there.